Hello everyone. So this morning I got a package and I know I didn't order anything towards the last few weeks until I see the name from who it was sent. It was Royal Aeronautical Society Community Engagement Team. Now a couple of months ago I won the Aerotube 2023 over 18 and I had the winning entry. And if you haven't seen the winning entry yet, after this video make sure to check that out. I kept this box until I finished my work to do an unboxing because I don't know what's inside. I know they told me they sent me a certificate, but this is a lot more bigger than a certificate. And it's not open, it's all patched up, it's how it came to me. And now I'm gonna open it with you. Let's start with the awards magazine. This is the 2023 awards magazine, and let me turn to my page. So then that's me, the handsome lad over there, and let's start next with the certificate. I reckon this is the certificate, and I got another box which I'm gonna check in a bit. I don't know why I'm feeling like a child on the Christmas morning, but it is exciting. So here you go, Aerotube Video Competition 2023 individual winner, awarded, that's my name, yeah, it's a long name, basically it's for the Aerotube 2023 award. Now I'm gonna get this box out of the way. The moment I've been waiting for, and I reckon you did too. I just want to know what's inside this box. Let's see. Trust me, it is heavy. It is very heavy. Wait a minute. Well done, Royal Aeronautical Society. So, this is the trophy I got. I don't know whether you can see. It says my name and the title. Sorry about the change of scenery. Halfway through editing I realized that my video was cut short due to insufficient battery percentage, and I had to redo this part. So as I was saying, this channel was started with the humble objective of educating Sri Lankan students and building awareness about aviation in Sri Lanka. And with time my channel got larger and larger. I started getting questions from Indian students, UK students, and students from every part of the world. So it's solely because of you I got this trophy, because if it wasn't for you guys who asked questions, I would have never done YouTube in the first place. So it's because of each and every one of my subscribers that I won this award. Thank you very much for that, and thank you Royal Aeronautical Society for giving me this award. And if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, press that red button and join the Aerotechnicians gang. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. I'll see you with another video next week. Until then, keep fixing.